Hi, my name is Smith. My student ID is 304049000. Today I'm going to talk about the industry engagement task for subject 5402 on the different learning outcomes, knowledge and skills. Identify the Australian Computer Society's core body of knowledge and where it is represented in industry practice. An essential responsibility of the Professional Standards Board of the Australian Computer Society is the ICT professional body of knowledge. The CBOK present is a framework of information and communication technology areas of study to inform the design of programs of study and their subsequent accreditations, knowledge requirements of professional certification, and supporting programs of professional developments. The philosophy for the design of program of study: the document adopts an approach to educational program design that focuses on developing professionals rather than a strict bottom-up curriculum-driven approach. Program design is a process by which educators in an academic institute develop a program of study that leads to awarding a qualification such as a bachelor's degree. The program of study will include individual units of study, otherwise known as subjects or course. For example, 3-year bachelor's degree in Australian Institute commonly has 24 units of study, 8 units per year. A curriculum-driven approach means that the program designers base their program on curricula that have been developed elsewhere, for example by the computer science discipline in the United States. Underlying the principle, some guidelines principles have evolved through the POK revision process and underline the general thrust of the document. A common core of knowledge area can be defined for the ICT professional despite the large number of roles that an ICT professional could fill. Minimal prescription is aimed to specification what form programs of study should take. The rapid change in the profession means that the right program prescription could constrain the development of the program of study in a new field, multimedia and games. ICT is a practical science and practical work. As an work project work on industry placement is required at some point in programs of study so that learning of applied skills and knowledge can be fully developed. Various regional and international initiatives assisted in defining the skills of associated with the ICT profession and global recognition of the profession. Definition of a professional professions: Australia's definition of professional stress includes both profession of specific knowledge and skills in a widely recognized body of learning driven from research, education and training in high level, as well as the profession of the code of ethics. Knowledge supporting aspects: the SAFE defines ICT skills but does not list underlying knowledge areas which may be ICT discipline or domain dependent. These knowledge areas include methodology, technology, programming, or specific ICT tools, libraries or language that may be specific to given ICT discipline, position and description of an academic study program. The body of fact, principle, theories and practical formal discipline basis. Knowledge area: service management. This area includes service management, security management. The CFBK has developed the assist capability across the contents such as the education system and professional practice within the industry. Fundamental ethics: nations where virtues, duty, responsibility, harm, benefit, rights, and respect and the consequences are different. Professionalism topics covered should include basic concepts of professionalism, ICT-specific professional issues. Conclusion: using the CBQ ensures that all the persons seeking professional membership in the ASE have an in-depth understanding of the ICT essential areas, ICT professional knowledge and ICT problem solving plus a conceptual understanding of the general ICT knowledge areas. Technique. resources, technical building, and ICT management. Thank you for hearing about the ICT and learning outcomes and what about my views on that. Thank you so much. This is all about the hurdle task for 5402.